guys, welcome to SS Multimedia. This is Arjun Kakonda, and today our topic will be problem solving, writing to explain. So, our objective today is understanding how to use graphs to find answers and writing a story that fits the graph. So, we'll be using graphs to find answers and writing a story that fits the. So, even if you don't know what that means, you'll understand right after we get started. So, let's get started. So, right here, we have a graph. Let's read what the question says. James and his mom are making cookies. Use the graph to write a story. So, we're trying to write a story using this graph. So, I'll explain to you how to do that right now. So, what you're going to do is you're going to observe the graph carefully. So, see that this part is the time. So this part is going to be the number of cookies. So now let's take a look at how many cookies they made in a specific amount of time. So first, after the first 5 minutes, they made 2 cookies. That's pretty less for 5 minutes, but yeah. And then after 10 minutes, they made 8 cookies, so their rate increased. So we're going to write that down. James and his mom made 2 cookies there we go. 2 cookies in the first 5 minutes. Now I'm going to scroll down because we need enough space. Okay, next we have after 10 minutes, they made a total of 8 cookies. So we're going to write that down. After 10 minutes, so 10 minutes, you can write it short if you want. This is just something you need to picture in your head, you need to think about in your head. They made 8 cookies. So that's our story. Now, we're going to use this to find our answers. So let's go to question number 1. Right here, we have use the graph to find how many cookies they make in the first 5 minutes. So, you don't have to look at this. You don't have to look at the graph. You have the story written down, so you can go there. So, here it says James and his mom made 2 cookies in the first 5 minutes. 2 cookies. So, we're going to go back here and write 2 cookies. It's that simple. That's why, at least writing down the story or even thinking about it in your head can help you find answers easily. Let's go to question number 2. Here, we have how many cookies do they make in the next 5 minutes. So, we're trying to find how many they made in the next 5 minutes. We're not trying to find the total, we're just trying to find the next 5 minutes. So the first 5 minutes is until here, until 5 minutes. The next 5 minutes would be until 10 minutes, right here. So, how many do they make from here to here? So, we're not going to look at the story because that's going to get confusing. We're just going to use the graph this time. So, if you pay attention, we're counting from here to all the way up here. So let's just, all we need to do is count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there we go. That's where we are. So they made 6 cookies in the next 5 minutes. Now it is problem time. I want you guys to pause the video and not yet, but yeah, try this problem out yourself. So first off, we have after coming from school, Anna has a snack. Then she attends her guitar lesson. Use the graph to answer the questions. So first off, I want you guys to pause the video and write a story using the graph. Good luck. Okay, assuming you wrote your story, I'm going to continue. So, I'm going to write a story first. So, first let's take a look at the graph. Obviously, if you read the question, after coming from school, Anna has a snack. So, right here, you see, this is miles from home, this part of it. And then this is the time. So, for the first 10 minutes, Anna doesn't move. She's the same place. So we're assuming she's eating a snack. So, Anna, sorry about that. Anna has a snack for 10 minutes. So, 10 minutes. Then, let's go back to the graph. So, then we see she moves. She goes up about 9 miles. So she goes to, 9 miles from her home. And then that takes about that takes 5, 10, 15 minutes. She goes 9 miles in 15 minutes. So, presuming she goes to her guitar lesson because that's what she does next. So, she goes to her guitar lesson, and then, now let's go back here, and then she just stays there. So that's pretty much her story. That's it, because you don't see her moving anywhere. She just stays there for the longer than, so it's about 25 minutes. So she stays there for about 25 minutes. So we're not gonna look after that because that's all it shows on our graph. So now answer these questions, these two. Where is Anna after the first 20 minutes? And where is Anna after 40 minutes? Okay, assuming you answered the questions, let's see if you got those right. Where is Anna after the first 20 minutes? So, let's see, where's 20 minutes? This is 20 minutes right here. So, let's go up about right there. That means she is on her way to her guitar class. So that's what we're gonna write. She is on her way to the guitar class. There we go. That's our answer. Next, we have where's Anna after 40 minutes? Again, so we're going to look at 40 minutes, which is right here. That means in 40 minutes, she's still at her guitar class. So she is at her guitar class. That's your answer. Did you get the answers right? Well, if you did, great job. If you didn't, it's okay, just keep practicing. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.
Take a video.
Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hit the notification bell for more updates on our videos.